Okay, Harsha, I got your answer. Waiting for you, Siddhika.
Yes, sir.
Did you send the answer, Siddhika? Yes, correct,
I
Siddhika. Very
sent
good.
it.
Yes, we did. Just a second. Let me give you some more questions. Try this one, and then
Sir, I sent the answers.
yes, Siddhika, I got your answers. Mm, Okay, so for the second one, we have got, yeah, correct. And for the third one, you have got, yeah, correct. Very good. Both of the answers are right. Harsha, what about you? Okay, Harsha. Let me know if you are getting stuck somewhere. Yes, Harsha, tell me. Are you facing some difficulty?
For the first question, is it option 3?
No. First of all, tell me how many moles of NH3 are there? 4.25 divided by
17, sir.
70. So this many moles are there, right?
Yes.
Then 1 mole of NH3 will have how many atoms? It has 4 atoms, right? So 4 into 4.25 upon 17 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
No. What is 4 into 4? It is equal to 16. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So 4 into 4.25 will be somewhere near 17. Can I say that?
Yes, sir.
So, I mean, it is not accurate, but again, when we have MCQs, then we will solve the question according to the options, right? So now we can say
why
that this.
are we multiplying 4?
Oh, how many atoms are there in NH3?
4, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this will be cancelled, and the answer will be approximately equal to 6 into 10 to the power 23. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is Martin, am I audible now?
Yeah.
Did you do any of these questions?
Which one?
Which one? Can't you see the screen?
No, we didn't do.
Sorry?
We didn't do this.
You have not done this? Join?
Yeah.
Okay. Martin, like, please join before time, and if you are having audio issues,
Sure.
Okay, it's like 15 minutes now. The number of atoms present in 0.5 grams of nitrogen is same as the number of atoms in. So number of 0.5 gram of nitrogen. That means how many moles? Whenever they ask you about the number of atoms, you have to think in terms of what number of moles. Now, number of moles of nitrogen will be equal to 0.5 divided by
14.
14, right? Now, this will be equal to 12 upon carbon का कितना होता है 12, or this will be equal to 32 upon molar mass of sulfur is what 32, or it will be equal to 8 upon oxygen is how much 16, right?
Yes.
Or this will be equal to 24 upon what is the molar mass of magnesium? 24, right?
Yes, sir.
Tell me. किसके बराबर है? Is it equal to this one, this one, this one, or this one?
So 8 by 16?
8 by 16. Are you sure? I think none of them will be equal, no?
Yes, sir.
None of them will be equal. I think the question has some mistake here. Okay, so ignore this question. The options are not right. I think this should have been 7 grams of atom of nitrogen. Then we can say that 8 gram of oxygen is the correct answer, right? It should have been 7 grams of nitrogen.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, no problem. Sometimes this happens. Okay. In today's class, we will be doing questions on concentration terms. Okay. So we'll be doing questions on what? Concentration terms. The concentration terms that we have to understand are molarity. Molarity, it is nothing. It is the number of moles of solute. Divided by the volume of solution in liters. Then we have a similar term. Now molarity is given by capital M. Okay, so once if you know how to calculate the number of moles, then you can easily calculate molarity. Similarly, molality is equal to number of moles of solute divided by mass of solvent in kg. Then we have mole fraction, which is equal to see, we have two components. I will show A. If I write A, that means it is solvent. If I write B, that means it is solute. So in a solution, solvent is present in major amount, in larger amount, and solute is present in smaller amount. Now, mole fraction, if I write, mole fraction is given as chi. And mole fraction can be given for both of the things, chi A and chi B. That means mole fraction of the solvent will be equal to number of moles of solvent divided by number of moles of solvent plus number of moles of solute. Similarly, the mole fraction of solute will be equal to number of moles of solute divided by number of moles of solvent plus number of moles of solute. Okay, so please write this down. I think Harsha, you must have written this already. Siddhika and Martin, please write this down. And then we will look at questions. Let me know once you're done.
Done, sir.
Okay. Martin, done? Yes, Martin, are you done?
No, sir. I'm good.
Okay, please write fast. Done, yes or no, please tell me. Yes, Martin, are you done?
Yeah, sir.
Okay. So let us try this question. It is asking me, what is the concentration of sugar in moles per liter? Now, when they are asking me the concentration in moles per liter, that means what are they asking? Moles per liter किसका unit हो सकता है? Tell me. Look at the formula and tell me. Moles per liter will be the unit of molarity, molality, or mole fraction. Write your answer in chat. Don't chat. Chat में बताइए answer. It will be the unit of molality, or yes, very good. All of you got this right. That means you have to calculate what? Molarity. I think all of you can do this question, right? And I will help you a bit in this. How would I help you? I will give you the molar mass for this, right? Please write molar mass of sugar is equal to 342 grams per mole. इसका molar mass कितना है? 342. So you can calculate the number of moles and then you can divide it by 2. You will get the volume. You will get the molarity, sorry. Let me know once you're done, guys. And set your answer on Zoom chat. Okay, Harsha. Harsha has got the answer. Waiting for others. Harsha, your answer is correct. Very good. Okay. Martin and Siddika are not getting the answer. Please write 0.029 moles per liter. Moving on. Write another question. Try this on your own. I'm going to give you guys 4 minutes for this. I think 4 minutes is enough. Okay, Siddika, this is for which question? This question?
Yes, this one.
Yeah, correct. Waiting for others. Yes, Harsha, correct. Martin, what about you?
Yeah, doing.
Sorry, what?
I am doing, sir.
You're doing. You have how many more minutes? You have 2 more minutes. By the way, Siddhika and Harsha, can you send how you have done this answer question on this number? On WhatsApp, just click a photo, how you have done this and send it to me. Oh, Harsha, I did not know that you are Krishna's sister.
Yes, sir.
I was not aware. So you are the one who plays badminton, or I
Yes,
think
sir.
Krishna also plays, no?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Yeah, both of you play. Fine. Yeah, correct, very good. So both of you share the phone also.
Okay, this is mom's phone, so.
Okay. Yes, Martin, what happened?
I'm calculating.
No, keep your mic on. You turn the mic off so quickly, I cannot hear anything what you are saying.
Oh, sorry. There's noise happening.
The, okay, fine. Wait a second, Martin. Siddhika and Harsha, can you tell me what Martin said? Yes, Siddhika and Harsha.
Sir, I can't understand him.
What about you,
There's
Harsha?
noise outside my.
There is no noise, Martin.
There is.
Keep your mic on.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
wait a second. Okay, there is no noise. Okay.
Okay.
I mean, there must be some noise, but I cannot hear that noise. Okay. None of the students can also hear that noise. Okay, Martin. Now, okay. Now you tell me, where did you get stuck? Can you send whatever you have done to this number? Please send me whatever you have done to this number.
Oh,
And send it quickly.
yeah, sure.
Martin, did you note this number? Oh, I mistakenly
Oh,
raised
yeah.
this. You have got this now? I mean, I think Matthew will also have this number.
Yeah.
Yeah. Please send me whatever you have done. So Martin, you're taking so much of time.
Yeah. Same here now. Me too.
Others, please write this question. Let me explain just a small bit from this. The question is saying a solution of glucose in water is labeled 10% W by W. Okay, Martin, I got yours. No. मेहनत करने की जरूरत है मार्टिन.
Yes, sir.
Did you revise? You need to study hard. Did you revise anything from the last class?
Yeah, a bit, yeah.
A bit. I don't see that. Okay. Fair. आप थोड़ा सा रुकिएगा क्लास के बाद. Okay, Martin, you will wait after the class. Okay.
Okay.
See this question. A solution of glucose in water is labeled 10% W by W. Now, what does this mean? 10% W by W. Whenever you have 10% W by W, it will give you information about three things. It will give you information of mass of solute, which is equal to the percentage, 10 grams, percentage in grams. Then mass of solution, which will be equal to 100 grams. 10 upon 100 is 10%, and that means 10% is solute. And it is also going to give you indirectly the information of mass of solvent. What will be the mass of solvent? Tell me, guys.
90 grams.
Very good, Harsha. And 100 grams is solution. Solute is 10 grams. So the remaining portion will be solvent. That is 90 grams. Siddhika and Martin understood this? Yes or no? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Now, once you have got the mass of solute, you have got the mass of solution, mass of solvent and everything, you can easily calculate the molality. What is molality? Molality is given by small m, which is equal to the number of moles of solute divided by the mass of solvent in kgs. Okay. I can write this also as number of moles of solute divided by the mass of solvent in grams. And in order to convert this to kg, I have to divide by 1000. Now, denominator of denominator is numerator, and 1000 will go above, and you will get this as like this into 1000. And this mass is in grams. So please calculate the mass quickly. And the molar mass of glucose is equal to 180 grams per mole. Okay. Calculate the molality, send the answer in my Zoom chat. First of all, calculate the number of moles. Okay. Calculate number of moles of solute. The mass of solute divided by the molar mass of the solute. Mass of solute is 10 grams. Okay. Divide by 180 grams per mole. You will get the answer in moles. You can keep this as 1 by 18 also, and then further plug in the value here. Okay, Harsha, you have got the molality. Yes, correct. Siddhika, correct. Very good. Harsha also correct. Very good. I think these answers are right because both of you are getting the same answers. Okay. Now, what about Martin?
Yes, sir. Calculate.
Okay, Harsha, you got the molarity also. What about Siddhika? Are you having difficulty in calculating the molarity?
I'm doing it.
Harsha, you're doing it. Okay. Yes, Martin, what about you?
Yes, sir. I'm getting the molarity.
Sorry, can you please repeat what you said?
I'm getting the molarity.
You're getting the molality. Tell me, what is the number of moles? Did you get the number of
0.05.
0.055? Okay. So 0.055 into 1000 divided by
90 divided by 1000.
divided by how much?
1000.
5000.
Because gram to kilogram.
What is the formula for molality, Martin? Martin, can you please keep your mic on? You can please don't turn your mic off. Okay, Martin, keep your mic on.
Sure, sir. Morality is WB into 1000 divided by MB into W.
What is molality? Tell me in terms molality. First of all, it is this
Molality is
molality, not
number of moles of solute present in per kilogram of solvent.
okay. So what is the formula? Molality is equal to what is this WA?
WA is mass of solvent.
So what is the mass of solvent?
Mass of solvent is 90.
So you have to put it 90 now. Why you are saying 1000? Calculate this value.
Okay, I thought it was in kg.
It is always in kg, but since I have got this formula in which you have to just use grams because 1000 is there. You don't have to convert this 90 grams into kg. Got it?
Yes, sir.
By the way, Harsha, I think you have some mistake in the molarity. Some decimal point mistake is there. Harsha.
Okay, sir, I'll check.
Yeah, please
Sir,
check that. Yes,
for
Siddhika.
third question, do we have to find mole fraction of water and glucose separately?
Yeah, separately. Correct. For both of them.
Okay.
The molarity is 0.611.
Yeah, correct. But accurately speaking, it will be equal to 0.618, right?
Yeah.
Then how to calculate molarity? Please see. Molarity will be equal to the number of moles of solute divided by the volume of solutions in liter. But we don't have the volume of solution, we have the mass of solution. But we know that density is equal to mass upon volume, and that is why volume will be equal to mass upon density. So mass is equal to how much? Mass is given as 100 grams of this solution divided by density is equal to 1.2 grams. Okay, so whatever value are going to get, this will be in ml. You can plug this in, and number of moles of the solute divided by 100 upon 1.2. This whole thing will be divided by what? 1000. 1000 can go above, and you can write 1000 here, and this will give you moles per liter. Number of moles we have got this as 0.055 into 1000 divided by 100 into 1.2. This is molarity. Calculate this value. Siddhika, yes, correct, very good. Harsha, there is slight mistake, I think. They should add up to 1, na? If you add both chi A and chi B, it should be equal to 1, right? Harsha?
Yes, sir.
देखिए एक बार ठीक से आ रहा है? 1 आ रहा है नहीं आ रहा है? Yes, Harsha, did you get the mistake?
No, sir. I'm checking for the second bit.
Is it 0.468?
0 point, sorry,
468.
468.
8. Yeah.
This will be equal to 0.667. Now, see here, number of moles of glucose is equal to 0.055, right? And number of moles of water, it is equal to how much? 5 moles, correct? Siddhika, Harsha, number of moles
Yes,
of
sir.
water will be, the solvent is equal to what? Solvent is water. Water is 90 grams. Divide by 18, this will be equal to 5. So chi A will be equal to, if I take for water, it will be equal to 5 upon 5.5 plus 0.055, which will be equal to 5 upon 5.055. Correct?
Yeah.
So what is this value you are getting? 5 divided by 5.055. This will be equal to 0.989. Okay. Now, since as chi A plus chi B, this is equal to 1, I can say that chi B will be equal to 1 minus chi A. And this will be equal to 1 minus 0.989, which will be equal to how much to me? 0.101. 101 only, no? Or 0. Wait a second. 0.011. एक आएगा and then yeah 0.01. All of you understood this? Yes or no? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Try this question. I will give you guys again 2 minutes. 2 minutes दे रहे हैं. In 2 minutes at least you should not have the answer, but आपके पास approach होना चाहिए, है ना? That we will calculate this, then we will calculate this, then we will calculate this. The formula for methanol is CH3. But again, I don't think you will be required that, but still. Yes, Martin, tell me, do you have any idea how to do this question?
Some small fractions, 0.25. We can find the mass of methanol, right?
Okay. What about you, Siddhika? Any idea how to do this question?
No, sir. I can't do this one.
Yeah. Okay. Harsha, what about you?
No, sir.
You guys tell me, what is the molality of a solution of methanol in water in which the mole fraction of methanol is 0.25? That means it is telling me chi B is equal to 0.25. Correct? Yes or no? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Say
Yes, sir.
okay. What will be chi A?
0.75.
The
0.25
minus 1.
minus 0.25 Siddhika.
Oh,
It will be 0.75 है ना? इन दोनों का sum 1 होना चाहिए, right?
yes.
Okay. We have got chi B and we have got chi. Now, both the moles we have got and आपको क्या निकालना? Molality निकालना. Let us suppose, can we suppose like this, that number of moles of B is equal to 0.25 some x and number of moles of A is equal to 0.75 into some x. Can we suppose that?
Yes, sir.
All of
Yes.
you understood
Yeah.
this? What is this? Yes or no? है ना? अच्छा. Now, let us say, or rather we can say like this. Let us suppose total moles in solution is equal to 1. That means हम ये suppose कर सकते हैं that we are taking that amount of solution जिसमें 0.25 moles किसका हो? Methanol का and 0.75 moles हो water का. I can suppose that also, because what we are doing, we are just reducing the amount of solution. We are not changing the concentration, right? So let us suppose the total number of moles in solution is equal to 1. Then in that case, methanol का कितना हो जाएगा? Number of moles of methanol will be equal to 0.25 and the number of moles of water will be equal to 0.75. अब बस क्या करना है, इसको आप कन्वर्ट कर दीजिए किसमें? मास ऑफ वाटर. The mass of water will be equal to the number of moles of water multiplied by the molar mass. This is equal to 0.75 into molar mass is equal to 18. Correct? Now what you need to do? Molality will be equal to number of moles of the solute divided by the mass of solvent. If it is in grams, then I have to multiply 1000 in the numerator. The number of moles is 0.25 divided by into 1000 divided by the number of the mass of H2 is 0.75 into 18. So ये ऐसे cancel हो जाएगा 3 and then 500. This will be 9. What else can we do? Can we do anything else here? No, nothing. 500 divided by 9 3 is 27. Approximately कितना हो जाएगा ये? अगर 25 होता तो it will be a bit less than 20. If 27 नहीं हो गया, if it was like this ना 500 upon 25, so 20 would be the answer, but it is 27, so it will be slightly less than 27, somewhere around 18 or 19 it would be. Please calculate this. Tell me what's the value that you are getting.
The 18.2.
Almost इतना ही होगा. Validity. So you can write moles per kg. The reverse of this question would be, you have been given the molality of the solution, you have to calculate the mole fraction. Okay. So in this case, you will take this statement of 2.5 molal and I can write 2.5 moles of solute in 1 kg of water or 1000 grams of water, right? ये तो आपको क्या मिल गया? You have got the number of moles of solute. From 1000 gram of water, you can get the number of moles of solvent as 1000 divided by 18. ठीक है? NB आपके पास है, Na आपके पास है, मोल फ्रैक्शन निकल जाएगा solute का. Please calculate this. Okay, someone got the answer. Okay, Sadhika. Yeah, I think that is correct. Waiting for Harsha and Martin. Yes, Harsha, are you having difficulty?
No, sir, calculating.
So you calculate. What about you, Martin?
Yes, I got Na. So this one NB.
Yeah, NB तो आपके पास है 2.5. What is Na?
Na is
55.55.
5.55.
नहीं, 55.55 होगा. Please calculate correctly.
Okay.
इस तरह की मिस्टेक्स 11th क्लास में नहीं होना चाहिए, ठीक है? So if you have some weak portions from the 10th standard या फिर multiplication division वगैरह में, तो उसको प्लीज थोड़ा सा ठीक कर लीजिए, because it is going to harm you a lot. It will be 55.55. प्लीज देख लीजिए इसको एक बार. Okay. No, Harsha, not right. कैलकुलेशन में मिस्टेक हो जा रहा है आपसे. 2.5 अपॉन 55.55 प्लस 2.5 ना, कितना हो जाएगा ये?
58.05.
This will be equal to Harsha, this will be equal to 0.043. ठीक है,
Okay, sir.
कैलकुलेशंस में थोड़ा आप लोग ध्यान दीजिए, कुछ सिली मिस्टेक्स हो जाएंगे. राइट अ टॉपिक, मोलारिटी मिक्सिंग. अच्छा, उससे पहले लिखिए डाइल्यूशन. Harsha, did we do dilution?
No, sir.
We have not done dilution. What is dilution? It's
Reducing
just
the
addition
concentration.
of. Sorry, what? What is dilution?
Reducing the concentration.
Decrease in concentration. You could not get the first word. It is addition of solvent in a solution. Okay, it is what? It is the addition of solvent in solution. Now, if I take this case here, then in dilution, what happens? We are only adding. मान लीजिए आपके पास you have a solution like this. It has molarity M1 and the volume is V1. As we know, molarity is equal to number of moles upon the volume. So I can say number of moles will be equal to molarity into volume. So M1 into V1, it is going to give you the number of moles of solute. Okay. And when you are adding solvent in it, when dilution happens, you add water or add any solvent. We are not removing the number of moles of solute. That is why the number of moles of solute is going to be the same. The quantity of water increased. Now the molarity will be something different. Let us suppose it was M2 and the volume will become V2, but the number of moles will still be the same. So from here I can write number of moles before dilution is equal to number of moles after dilution. Because we are not removing solvent, neither we are not removing any solute particles, nor we are adding any solute particles. So number of moles after dilution will be same. And that is why NB it is equal to M1 V1 and this NBH is equal to M2 V2. Right? And what will be M2? The final molarity will be equal to M1 V1 divided by V2. And what is V2? It is equal to V1 plus added volume. Correct? Got it, guys? Please tell me. All of you got this? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I didn't get the last volume part. V2 is equals to V1.
Plus added volume of the water. है ना? V1 तो पहला वॉल्यूम है जो पहले से ही था. उसके बाद आपने जो पानी डाला होगा उतना ही वॉल्यूम इंक्रीज किया होगा ना. फॉर एग्जांपल you had 1 liter, you added 2 liters, तो फाइनल क्या हो जाएगा? 1 plus 2 3 liters. Got it?
Yes, okay.
Okay. Let me know once you have written this down. Write it fast.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Okay. Sorry, what?
Yeah, right, sir.
You're writing?
Yeah.
But then you have to increase the speed of writing also. ना see, वो दोनों लिख के बैठ चुकी हैं. Done?
Yeah.
You smarted? Okay. Right, next, molarity mixing. Also, Martin, can you please change whatever mic or whatever earphone you are using, because आपकी आवाज ही नहीं आ पाती ठीक से. What you are saying I cannot understand even.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Fine.
Okay. What is molarity mixing? Let us suppose you have a solution. This has molarity M1 and volume V1. So it will have number of moles. I will write NB1. And I have solution of the same solute, but in this I have different concentration and different volume. So concentration here is M2, volume is V2, and for this the number of moles of solute is NB2. When I add both of these things, then I will get a resultant solution. This resultant solution will have different molarity and different volume. So I will write to the MrVr. Now, MrVr. But please remember, when we are adding both of these, the nature of solute, for example, अगर हम NaCl ले रहे हैं, if I am taking salt, then both of the solution have salt and it has, the first solution has number of moles as NB1, second solution has number of moles as NB2. When I'm adding the solutions, the number of moles of the resultant solution will be equal to NB1 plus NB2, right? It will be equal to NB1 plus NB2. And this is equal to what? NB of resultant. So I can write NB of resultant, it is equal to NB1 plus NB2. What is NB1? NB1, it is nothing, but it is NBR is equal to MrVr. NB1 is M1V1. NB2 is M2V2. Now, the molarity of the resultant solution will be equal to M1V1 plus M2V2 upon VR. VR is nothing but the volume of the first solution and the volume of second solution. So VR is equal to V1 plus V2. Understood this also? Yes or no? Tell me. Molarity mixing.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Write this down and then write a question. Calculate the molarity of resultant solution.
Sir,
Yes, tell me.
what does R mean? Is there
Resultant.
Okay.
Calculate the molarity of resultant solution when 3 liters of 2 molar HCl is mixed with 4 liter of 3 molar HCl. Send your answer in Zoom chat.
So VR would be equal to V1 plus V2.
Yeah. VR will be equal to V1 plus V2. Send your answer on Zoom chat. Yes, Harsha, very good, correct. Guys, take 2 more minutes and then I will discuss this question. Yes, Siddhika, correct. Very good. Yes, Martin, what about you?
Yeah, I'm doing. The formula is M1 V1 plus M2 V2 divided by V1 by V2.
Yeah, this is the formula.
Okay. M is equal to mass.
Sorry? What, Martin?
Oh, yeah. Now, yeah, okay. Got it.
Yes, Martin, tell me.
Yeah, I'm
MR is
doing
equal to, yeah, tell me. MR is equal to, what is
M1
M1 V1? What is M1?
3 into 2 into 2.
Sorry,
3 into 2.
3 into 2 plus
4 into 3.
divided by
3 plus 4.
7. Why are you taking so much time for this? 3 to the 6 plus 4 is a 12 divided by 7. 12 plus 6 is equal to 18. 18 by 7. 18 by 7 divided करने में तो time लगेगा. 7. How many is that? 2 is a 14.
Yeah.
4 decimal point a 0. Then 5 is a 35. 5 0 will come here and then how many is a 7 is a 49.
9. 37.
2.57. It should not take even 1 minute. So you write this question, guys. This is regarding dilution. Giving you guys 3 minutes. 4 मिनट ले लीजिए चलिए आपको. Take 4 minutes. Yes. Siddhika, that is right. Very good. Almost 1 more minute, guys. Okay, guys, time's up. So M2 will be equal to what?
12.75.
5.75. No.
12.7.
Sorry.
12.75 divided by 5.
What are you saying? Like, कुछ समझ ही नहीं आता, madam. Like, say it properly, na?
Sir,
Like, there should
2.55. 2.55.
2.55.
Yeah.
So 0.05?
0.
05.
No. Harish, 0.05 नहीं हो रहा. See, M2 will be equal to how much? M1 V1. What is M1? 1.5 into V1 is 250 ml. ठीक है. See here that the unit should be same. Here is ml. Here also here we have liters, right? Either आप दोनों को ml में लीजिए या फिर दोनों को liter में लीजिए. So you can write here this in ml only. So this will be 250 divided by 5,000 plus 250. So it will be equal to 1.5 into 250 upon 5250. Now 2.5 into 1.5 will be equal to how much? 2.5 into 1.5 गुना इसका हो जाएगा कितना? तो 25 375 I think.
So this would be the molarity of water, right?
Sorry, what?
So this would be the molarity of water, right?
Molarity of the solution, Harsha. Water की molarity थोड़ी ना होती है कुछ. This is dilution, ना? Harsha, wait a second. I think you did not get the question. 250 ml of 1.5 molar solution of sulfuric acid is diluted by adding 5 liters of water. What is the molarity of diluted solution? So the molarity of dilute solution will be equal to M2 is equal to M1 V1 upon V2, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So what is M1? 1.5 into V1 250 divided by V2, as I said, will be equal to V1 plus added volume. Correct?
Okay, sir.
So V1 is equal to how much? 250 ml plus added volume is equal to 5,000. So this will be equal to how much? 250 into 1.5, 375 upon 250 plus 5,000 will be equal to 5250. And when you divide these, you will get the answer as 0.714. So Siddhika is getting 0.07. Oh, wait a second. Yeah, correct. It will be, sorry, 0.0714. 3-digit and below we have 4-digit. 0.0714. My bad. So, right, the last question. I will discuss this and then we can end the class. Saying the density of 3 molar solution of NaCl is 1.25 grams per ml. Calculate the molality of the solution. That means what we are going? We are going from molality to molarity to molality. Please see. 3 molar solution means 3 moles in 1000 ml of solution. Clear, guys? Yes or no? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
This is the meaning. Okay. Now we have got the moles of solute. Now from the volume of solution, I have to get what? From volume of solution, I have to get the mass of solvent. Correct? सही है? सही है? हाँ या ना बताएं? Volume of solution है आपके पास, उससे आपको क्या निकालना है? Mass of solvent. Yes or no? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Why do I need mass of solvent? Because molality is equal to number of moles of solute divided by mass of solvent in kg. Now, this mass of solution will be equal to the mass of solvent plus the mass of solute. Correct? है ना? Mass of solution will be equal to mass of solvent plus mass of solute. True. You have to get the mass of solvent. So mass of solvent will be equal to mass of solution into the mass of solution minus the mass of solute. Correct? MB goes there. ये समझ में आ रहा है आप लोग को? हाँ या ना बताएं?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Just a second. Yeah. Now moving on. Mass of solution will be equal to density is equal to mass by volume. So mass will be equal to density into volume. ठीक है? Mass of solution क्या लिख सकते हैं? Density into the volume minus. Now what will be the mass of solute? देखिए, number of moles is equal to the given mass divided by molar mass. तो आपके पास जो given mass होगा that will be equal to number of moles into molar mass of solute. Yes or no? Please tell me. Correct है?
Yes, sir.
Now I can write this as number of moles. Number of moles कहाँ से मिल जाएगा आपको? जो molarity है, whatever the molality is, जो भी आपके पास molarity ना 3 moles, वही आप क्या लिख सकते हैं? Molarity into MB. Now density is given as how much? 1.25 into volume is how much? 1000 minus number of moles is equal to how much? 3 into molar mass of NaCl will be equal to how much? Tell me. Molar mass of
40.
NaCl 40
40.
नहीं होता है. NaOH का होता है 40.
Sir, 58.5.
Very good. 58.5. This will be equal to 1250 minus 58.5 into 3. 50 को 3 बार कीजिएगा 150. 8 को 3 बार कीजिएगा कितना हो जाएगा? 8 3 24. 150 और 24 हो जाएगा आपका 174 75 75.5. This will be equal to 175.5. देखिए ये आ रहा है 58.5 into 3. 175.5. माइनस 1250 कितना हो जाएगा? 250 में 175 घटा देने से 75 बचेगा. 10745. 7.5. This will be in terms of what? This will be in terms of grams. ठीक है? Because density is in grams per milliliter and we have taken this as milliliter. Number of moles is also what? Molar mass हमने किस में लिया? Grams में लिया. So this will be the mass of solute. Sorry, mass of solvent मिल गया आपको. क्या मिल गया आपको? The mass of solvent in grams मिला है. Now molality will be equal to the number of moles, that is 3 divided by mass of solvent is equal to 1074.5 divide by 1000, ऊपर चल जाएगा, multiply by 1000 हो जाएगा, because we want this in terms of kg. So this will be equal to 3000 divided by 1074.5 moles per kg. Almost आपके पास क्या आंसर आ जाएगा? 3000 divided by 1074.5 is equal to 2.79 moles per kg. Can you please write this down? समझ में आया सबको? yes or no, please tell me.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So for MB, why are we doing M into MB?
Sorry, can you please repeat it?
Why are we doing M into MB?
This will give you the mass of solute. Number of moles is equal to the given mass upon the molar mass. Right? So if I want to get the given mass, I will write number of moles into the molar mass. Number of moles is equal to how much? 3 moles. 3 moles क्या है आपके? जो molarity है वही तो है. I can write this as M into MB also, if I have the molarity. Got it, guys? So please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Any doubt in today's class?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So that's it for today.